Oh, can you stand for the black one? Андрей, давай, да?
The members of the State Commission, all the guests invited, we're happy to inform you that everything is going per the plan. You've shown good results at your exams, and we hope that you will proceed just as perfect as the way you've been taught. And of course, those who are right now on board the station will show you what life there looks like. We received a call today from the Center for Youth Art. They said hi to you, and they asked you on behalf of the entire center to wish you all the best.
It's good to see you. You guys have trained hard. I know you got a very busy increment in front of you, but I know you'll do a great job while you're there. You are able to take time to enjoy your environment and look down on the Earth and appreciate the experience that you're getting an opportunity to partake in. So you're an integrated crew. You have a run of the entire space station. I personally invite you each to spend some time in the cupola and enjoy the view. And so have a great flight, and we look forward to hearing about your experiences when you get back.
Dear friends, Alexander, Andrei, Ron, I would like to cordially congratulate you on the beginning of your flight. This flight is special. We will soon be celebrating the 50th anniversary of the first human flight into space, performed by Yuri Gagarin, of space exploration. This process went very quickly and in very sharp competition with the United States. However, today, the science exploration and development goes hand in hand together with the United States and Russia and other countries. And we are sure that this will bring new acquisitions, new results, and we wish you all the very best and the best results ever possible during this flight. We know this flight was successful, and we hope to see you soon back on the Earth. Hi to those whom I haven't greeted yet. I'm very happy to see you all. We've had a very good training, had very good rest here, and finally we're ready to set our hands on what we've been trained to do. Good evening, or rather, it's already night. We did all that we could. We did our best when starting at GTC, and the machinery is good, the equipment is good, reliable, so everything will be fine. I also like to say thank you. It's a great honor to me and great responsibility. Thank you. I hope that your work will be successful, that your launch is successful, and that your work is fruitful on board the ISS. I would like to congratulate you on a successful completion of your training. I would like you to ask you to call us from orbit, and we'll do our best when assisting you from here, from the ground. Here they're coming. The crew of the space vehicle Team A21 is ready. This is the vehicle command.
T-minus 15 seconds. There goes the second umbilical tower, moving away from the Soyuz. T-minus 10. The first stage engines are at flight speed. Sit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Soyuz rocket as Ron Garan, Alexander Samakutayev, and Andrei Borisenko begin their journey to the International Space Station.
20 seconds. Everything is fine on board. Copy. 30 seconds. Flight. All fine. Launch vehicle fine.
As you're hearing, everything looking good so far in the first 45 seconds of the Soyuz TMA-21's flight. The Soyuz is now heading toward a link up with the International Space Station 2 days from now.
50 seconds. The pressure is within norm and we are doing well on board.
60 seconds, normal. Roll pitch nominal.
Rotation within norm.
1 minute and 12 seconds into flight. The velocity of the Soyuz is now 1,100 miles per hour. We've had good first stage performance, and the Soyuz is delivering 102 tons of thrust from its 4 boosters.
80 seconds.
Single engine.
We are doing well.
The first stage of the Soyuz measured 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter, and it's burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of the flight.
1:18.
Thank you.
21:15.
We are doing good. All the parameters are within the norm.
18, 21:15. 110 seconds. Nominal. Roll pitch nominal.
Doing good.
Jettison and the 4 strap-on boosters. These have completed their job and have dropped away at an altitude of 28 statute miles. Soyuz is traveling at about 3,350 miles per hour, now 2 minutes and 20 seconds into its flight.
140 seconds in flight. Copy. $150.